Hey people, welcome back. So this is a quick update on my home mining situation. If you saw my last video, you all saw that I got my new shelves in place and the rigs back in order, and yeah, got to do some more cable management and stuff. So I think it went out pretty good. I started to fill up this last shelf here with some spare parts, like some motherboards. Yeah, these processors I actually can't use because they are the Gen 4, I think. So yeah, so this will be, maybe I get some motherboards for this later. And yeah, I'm also going to test out some CPU mining soon. I also got another Ryzen 9 3900X coming. And yeah, so I just got some different parts there. I have a lot more upstairs that I going to sort to boxes and get down there. And we also have this that did come in the mail today. So I actually wanted to open these boxes with you. So as you can see, there are two boxes. They did come from China today, and I have to be careful so I don't show my address or anything here, but yeah. So let me just set up the camera, and we can do some unboxing today. And since we don't have any like a fancy dog or anything, we're just going to roll a small intro with 10 seconds of this. So I don't have the greatest of light conditions down here, but I hope this is okay and you can see. We tried it. These boxes are, oh my god, they are heavy. So you probably wonder what it is. And disclaimer once, right away, there are not GPUs. I haven't got any new GPUs yet. I was hoping to get 3060 Ti soon. I can start changing out some of these 580s I got there, but yeah, that will be for another time. So I'm just going to open up the first one. This is kind of actually another way of getting yourself, you know, the things you need for mining, and in the same way you can also make some money on the side, not only for mining but from other stuff. So I went to the website, you probably all know, like the website is called Alibaba, and I picked up a few things, or this is actually just one thing in all the same in this box. So let me just bring the camera over so you can see. I got a couple of GPU risers. Not just a couple, to be exact. I actually got 300 of them. So this is 2 boxes of GPU risers. So you probably wonder why. Why did you got 300 GPU risers? And these are the, let me see here, let me just open one up and pick them out, and we can take, this is my first look at them, so I haven't been looking at them myself. I bought this from a vendor in China, and I think they are it should be the version 9S, yeah, so it's the newer one. Seems pretty good actually, with the seem okay, made okay, everything. I don't remember the price right away in my head, so I'm going to link that up in the corner here in the video later. But the first thing I always do when I find new risers, I take off this foam on the back side here, because I want to take a look at how the soldering on the risers are done. If they are good, if it seems to be like bad solder, like bad connections and stuff like that. So I'm actually going to just tear one apart for the sake of this video. Okay, let's see here. So as I can see with the first eye, most of the times you see it right away on this connection. This is the USB connection. If the solder is done bad, you will probably see that it's like big blobs of solder. It's easy that they can connect to each other, but I think these are pretty good actually. It seems pretty nice. So yeah, and as I said, I got plenty of them, really many. There are like a lot. I can almost not get to the bottom of this case. So, and as I said, I don't only have one of these cases. Oh my god, it's risers everywhere. I also got one more. Let me see. So let me just open this up. So as you can see, I got a whole other box of risers. Okay, so the big question, why? So first of all, I've been mining for at least 3 to 4 years now. Like the last 3 years, I will say, with a lot of GPUs, and I have a lot of different risers. You can see on these rigs I have some white ones. I think there's the version 8. These ones also is the version 8. You see over here I have some older ones on the 1070 rig here, if you can see it. This is like, I think it's my version 5 or something. And yeah, I have a lot of different types of risers on all my rigs. Some of them are like some of these types, some of another types, and yeah, you get it. And when I'm going to, because I'm going to clean most of the rigs soon, and I'm also going to change a lot of fans on them. I just bought 50 to 60 new fans for the, mostly for the Gigabyte cards, because they are really bad. And I'm actually working on RMA some of the cards right now, so I hope I can get that through, because we have like the 5-year RMA thing in Norway for production faults. So I hope I can get back to, I can just send him some of the cards and just say, yeah, the fans are bad. They're only 3 years old and the fans are bad, and I might get some of the cards refounded, so I hope so. So I won't go totally crazy yet on changing the fans of all of the cards. I already filed for RMA on 4 cards, and we'll see how that will go. But my main point of this video is I want to have, like, you know, consistency. I want to have the same risers on all my rigs. And yeah, I'm just that kind of guy. And I also ordered probably I'm going to need 100 myself. I have around 100 GPUs right now, 105 I think total, and I want to change out the risers on all of them to the newer ones. And I ordered 200 more so I actually can sell them, because yeah, let's face it people, in these times people are buying mining stuff like crazy, and if I can buy 100 risers and sell 200 and make a small profit, and I also got my 100 risers for free, I think that is a good deal. So yeah, as I said, that's the reason. Oh my god, it's so many risers there. It's just everywhere. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. And I also can show you just a sneak peek of my, yeah, as you've probably seen before, it's the same setup with the same GPUs. If I can't RMA all my 4 GB cards, probably I won't. I will start selling them, I will start cleaning them, changing the fans on them, and try to get rid of them. And hopefully I get some 3060 Ti soon, because I really want those cards. But it's hard to get in Norway at this moment. It's really, or it's hard to get anywhere. So but we'll see. Probably I will get a few, hopefully soon. A lot of the big internet shops in Norway has just delisted them completely, so you can't even find them on their website. So I hope that will change soon. And yeah, as I said, I'm also waiting for some parts for building a couple of computers. This will be my wife's new computer with the Ryzen 7 3700X. And her motherboard, I'm waiting for her RAM sticks now. And I'm also waiting for my motherboard, my new motherboard with the Ryzen 3900X. And I will try out some CPU mining on them. It's been many years since I tried that, so that will probably be one of the next videos. Hopefully I get it in a few days. So yeah, if you like this kind of craziness, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and yeah, if you are in Norway and you want to buy some it seems like good risers, of course I'm going to test them out because I have 100 GPUs to put them on, so make sure to contact me. Bye.